Hey, sweet faces, welcome to this week's homework assignment where we are looking at polygons. So, starting with our first one, we are looking for the name. Remember that when we're talking about the name of polygons, that is going to be based on the sides. The sides give us the name. So, the first thing that we're going to do for each of these is we are going to count our sides. Now, counting sides can be a little bit tricky, not because counting is tricky, but trying to keep track of where you are on the shape can be tricky. So what I suggest while you're counting is to mark one of your sides and count from there, or you can write the number as you go around. So this is an 8-sided shape. Think octopus or octagon. Octagon. Over here, you guys should know this as soon as you see it. But if not, let me give you a little reminder that this is a trapezoid. It's not a trap, it's a trapezoid. Down here, we know this member of the quad squad. This is a square. Over here, let's count our sides. It sets us up for success. Remember to use the stop sign rule if you have trouble. If I write stop in the middle, does that look right? No, it doesn't. This is a pentagon, a 5-sided pentagon. Down here, we know this 3 sides, 3 angles. It is a triangle. And our last one, STOP, that looks right. It's a hexagon. Also going to count my sides because I know that that is important. That is a hexagon. Questions on these? Bring them with you to class. All right, loves. Next page, you had to draw the polygon. So if I'm drawing a rectangle, I know I have to have 2 long sides, 2 short sides, and I should have 4 right angles for a rectangle. A hexagon has 6 sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A hexagon. Triangle, lots of options. 3 sides, 3 angles gives us a triangle. A pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always think that a pentagon looks like a house. Always reminds me of a house. A pentagon. Octagon is going to have 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8-sided shape is an octagon. Remember, our rhombus looks like a square that got a little bit tired. So 4 equal sides. Let's fix that top. But no right angles. Just got a little bit lazy with its lean. All right, loves, any questions on this? And also, if you did your rhombus this way, that is fine too. Some people draw it as a diamond. Both ways would be fine. Any questions? Bring them with you to class. All right, next page, we have to determine the parallel lines. Remember, parallel lines are the brother-sister lines, respecting each other's space, never crossing. So if we're looking at this trapezoid, it has 1 pair of parallel sides. This square has 2 pairs of parallel sides. This one, let's see, we have a pair here. We have a pair here. And we have a pair here. There are 3 pairs of parallel sides. This friend, none. Any way I set my lines, they are going to intersect at some point. Over here, I have 1 pair. I have 2 pairs. I have 3 pairs and 4 pairs of parallel sides. Last guy, none. Doesn't matter where I put the lines, they are going to intersect. Questions on this page, bring them with you to class. All right, you had different questions for each of your polygons to answer. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides. How many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. How many vertices? Those points. How many do we have? Let's draw them on. There are 4. How many angles? 1, 2, 3. Remember the shape's called a triangle, which means it has 3 angles. And then back to the vertice club. 1, 2, 3, 4. Questions on this page, my little nuggets of joy, bring them with you to class. Last page, we're looking at the interior. This means inside angles. Circle the correct observation. So fancy, fancy, schmancy. What do I see when I look inside? These little angles, are they less than 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees? Or 90 degrees on the nose. So this is our acute little grandma pinching our cheeks. This is the obtuse vacation for 1, or the right way to sit at the dinner table. These are all right angles. They are all right angles. Over here looking at these, I mean, come on. Here's my book. Here's my big floppy hat. These are greater than 90. They are obtuse angles. Look at these teeny little grandma pinchy finger angles. Less than 90. Over here, I'm on vacation with a book and a giant hat. Greater than 90 degrees. Not last one. Just kidding. Coming down here. Over here, it's time for vacation with a book. Oh, I lost a leg. And a super floppy hat. These are greater than 90. And then these. Man, am I hungry for some green bean ice cream with a cherry on top. This is a 90-degree angle. All right, my little sweet faces, any questions on any of this, bring them with you to class. Have a good weekend.